Andito na guys, ang pinaka-inaabangan ng lahat. Ang isa sa pinakamatikas, guwapo, at tinitilian. The one and only. Please do the honor to introduce yourself.
Hi, good evening. My name is Alfred Natividad, and I'm proudly representing Cebu Province.
Okay, ang tanong ng bayan, ano sa palagay mo ang dahilan kung bakit ikaw ang kailangang hiranging Pintados 2025 Grand Winner?
Thank you for that question. I think karapat-dapat po akong manalo bilang Pintados Grand Winner kasi the qualities of being the Pintados Grand Winner is all I have. Matikas, matapang, malakas. Yun po yung mga katangian na meron ako. Kaya I think I deserve to be the Grand Winner of Pintados.
Okay, very well said. So, kung bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon na maging isang hurado, sino ang ayaw mong manalo sa mga kandidato?
Kung bibigyan po ako ng pagkakataon na maging hurado, I think walang instances na meron akong gustong hindi manalo kasi lahat po ng contestant ay binibigay po lahat ng kanya-kanya nilang kakayahan, confidence. They're showing their talents and skills. So I believe they deserve the rate that they deserve. So ang masasabi ko lang po, may the best man win.
Okay, talagang very good. Ano ka pala, hurado if ever. So, heto na. Okay, heto na nga. Kung bibigyan ka ng chance na i-describe ang iyong sarili, please tell the viewers and why.
If I will be given a chance to describe myself, I can say that I am someone who don't give up in life. I always believe that everything happens for a reason. So wherever I feel down, wherever I experience ups and downs, I always fight for my dreams and never give up. Because I believe in God, nothing is impossible.
So ayun, napapabilib mo ako sa mga kasagutan mo. Heto na last question. Paano mo pinaghandaan or ano-ano ang mga preparation mo sa patimpalak na ito?
To be honest, I am into beauty pageants, like male pageants. So this is my first time to join something like Bikini Open, which is Pintados. And mga preparation na kailangan ko i-prepare for this competition is to have a physically fit body. So I believe I have it. I keep on going on the gym, working out 2 hours a day. So let's do this.
Kung ikaw ay isang superhero, ano ang iyong magiging kapangyarihan at bakit?
If I will become a superhero, I think I will choose to be Superman. Superman embodied everything, like a strong man, someone who has principles in life. So yung powers naman ni Superman is pagiging malakas, matikas. So I believe I have it. That's all.
Please invite viewers to support you.
Hello everyone. I am inviting everyone to support me in my journey here in Pintados, and I'm proudly representing Cebu Province.
Invite your social.
Yes, you can follow me on my social media accounts. My Facebook page, Alfred Natividad. On my Instagram, Alfred.Natividad. And on my TikTok account, it's Alfred_Natividad.
Thank you so much. Good luck.